It's rough on the road. We don't shower all the time. Like we don't use the kitchen in there. We mainly use the fridge and the microwave. But
just gym it up.
yeah, go to
gym,
Planet
shower.
Fitness and shower there. That's what a lot of bands do.
Is it a newer RV?
Yeah. It's newer Four Winds. It's like a 2019.
So, when you're on the road, you guys obviously you stay in the trailer probably. You guys do the Airbnb thing?
No. We usually don't even get hotels. None of that stuff, unless it's in the rider. Like sometimes it's in the contract, so the venues will provide hotels for us. But otherwise, we just stay at truck stops.